Have you ever wondered how long it'll take your money to double? Well, if you have, I have a little secret for you. It's called the Rule of 72. Hi friends, Jenna here, and welcome back to Roundup Save. Today we're going to be talking about a nifty little formula that you can use to easily, and I actually mean easily, calculate how long it will take your investments to double. We'll use a simple formula called the Rule of 72. So what is the Rule of 72? According to Investopedia, it's a mathematical formula that you can use to calculate how long it will take your investments to double in value or half in value as well. I like to focus on the doubling because I think that's more positive. So we'll talk about that, but just remember that just like compounding, your money can also, work in the wrong direction too. So it's really important to be cognizant about that. If you're new to it, or even if you're seasoned, investing in the stock market can be, a little scary. It's a lot, and you don't know what's happening, and you feel like you're taking risks. But I think about what's so important about investing, and it's being able to build wealth and build generational wealth. And that's so important, especially for people like you and me. One important thing about investing is understanding your assets and your portfolio and how much they will be valued at and how you can project it to grow. And so I think using this formula, the Rule of 72, is a really helpful tool to very easily calculate what's happening with your assets and your portfolio. So the Rule of 72 works like this. You simply divide 72 by your interest rate to give you the number of years that it will take to double. One important thing to realize here is that, for example, if you were to do 72 divided by 8%, you're actually going to do 72 divided by 8, not 8% or 0.08. So the way the formula works, it's 72 divided by 8 gives you 9 years. And if you're assuming that the average returns in the stock market are 8%, you can expect that your investments will double in 9 years. Just keep in mind that this formula can only be used for compounding growth or decay. So it can't be used to calculate how investments will grow or how long it'll take to double if it's using simple interest. It only really works with compounding interest. Again, compounding interest is earning interest on your interest and making your money go to work for you. It's the best kept secret in town about how to make your money work and grow for you and build that wealth that we're all seeking. So if we take a look at the example that I just provided, let's say that you invest $1,000 and you have the average annual rate of return of 8%. So if you take our formula and we do 72 divided by 8, we get 9 years. And so we can expect that $1,000 to double in 9 years to $2,000. And in 18 years, it will be $4,000. And in 27 years, it will be $8,000. Now, I think that's like a small number, and that's really great to see how that grows. But let's think about it if we were to invest a larger number. So let's say we invested $100,000. In 9 years, that would be $200,000. In 18 years, that would be $400,000. And in 27 years, that would be $800,000. And that's just assuming that you're not adding anything more to that account. You're just making that one-time initial principal of $100,000. If you were to add money to that account more frequently, you would see that the money in your account would grow even faster and even more because it takes advantage of the principles of compound interest. So that's the Rule of 72. It's really that easy. You can use this formula again to kind of project out how your portfolio will go, how your investments will grow in the stock market, and you could even use this as your next party trick at a dinner or something like that you go to and impress all your friends with the Rule of 72. If you like content like this, please make sure to hit that like button as it really helps out the channel. Feel free to drop a comment below. Let us know if you like content like this, what you want to see more of. That really helps us and gives us an idea about what you're thinking. And also don't forget to smash the subscribe button. We love to see you following along, and then you can be alerted when we have new content, and we have a lot of fun, really interesting new content coming out. So be sure to follow along. Thanks guys, and see you next time on Roundup Save.